Before we start this video, I'd like to say that this video is originally inspired by Cookie Bear, so go and subscribe to her channel. I'll put the link of her channel and video in the description below, the apps that you need. And now let's head on the video. The first thing to do is take a screenshot of your gacha character. The next step is going to Ibispaint X and make a new canvas. The third step is to import the screenshot you've taken with your Oofsie. After importing the picture, erase the background with the magic wand tool. After erasing the background, add a new layer and press the new layer. And now make sure the new layer is above the picture. Press the filter button and look for inner glow. Customize the color and radius the way you like. You can also do the outer glow, but make sure the new layer is below the picture. And now for the last step, save the picture and you're done. I hope this video helped you, and I also hope that you enjoyed this video. Now by Mile of Anders.